Hi everyone! In this lesson, we're going to learn the 24 Chinese finals. Finals in Chinese we say 韵母, 韵母. 24 finals. 24个韵母, 24个韵母. Do you know what is a final in Pinyin? And how does it look like in Pinyin? We can see here there is a Chinese character, and the pinyin for this Chinese character is m, a, ma. M here is the initial. A here is the final. Finals are also called vowels. Do you know how many vowels are there in pinyin? There are in total 24 finals. 24 finals. 24个韵母 ,24个韵母 It includes 6 single finals, 9 compound finals, and 9 nasal finals. 6 single finals, 6个单韵母 ,6个单韵母 ,9 compound finals, 9个复韵母9个复韵母 ,9 nasal finals, 9个鼻韵母 ,9个鼻韵母 Let's learn these 6 single finals first. 6 single finals, 6个单韵母 ,6个单韵母啊 o 一 乌 ü 啊 ah, ah. Open your mouth big. It sounds like ah in father. Ah. All, all, all. It sounds like all in law. All. Actually, when I was in elementary school, every teacher teach this one as 我. But in around 2009, the Chinese Education Bureau had a reform, and they say that this one should be pronounced as all. In nowadays, you could still hear some people, they read this one as all, but some other people, they read this one as 我. In my opinion, both these two sounds are correct. All or 我. Uh, uh. It sounds like in ago. E, e, e. It sounds like in evening. E. Woo, woo, woo. It sounds like 乌音 uno 乌吁吁吁 There is no corresponding pronunciation in English. 雨雨雨 means rain. 雨 the third tone. 雨 As we can see, when the initial E is combined together with the final U, the two dots disappeared. 雨 rain 雨 Let's learn these 9 compound finals. 9 compound finals 9个复韵母9个复韵母 I A we all O U 耶约 R I I the fourth tone I means love I A A A It sounds like the English alphabet A way It sounds like we in English way all It sounds like all in Australia all O O O It sounds like O in English O U It sounds like you in English you yeah It sounds like yeah in yes yeah约约月亮 The fourth tone 月亮月亮 means moon 月亮 R the third tone 耳朵 means ear 耳朵 R Let's learn these 9 nasal finals. 9 nasal finals 9个鼻韵母 9个鼻韵母。These 9 nasal finals include 5 front nasal finals and 4 back nasal finals. Five front nasal finals, 5个前鼻韵母，5个前鼻韵母。安、n、音、温、晕。安、安、an. It sounds like an in ant. An. N. 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 It sounds like N in end. N. In. 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 It sounds like the English word in. In. When. 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 It sounds like when in Wednesday. When. Yun. 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 头晕。头晕。头晕 means dizzy. 头 means head. 晕 means dizzy. 头晕。晕。4 back nasal finals. 4个后鼻韵母。4个后鼻韵母。昂、英、翁。昂、昂。It sounds like on in the British accent, aunt. On. Um. Um. It sounds like in won't. 乌翁 won't. Ying. It sounds like in doing. In. On. It sounds like on in only. On.